Today we'll be studying about the next type of Turner syndrome, next type of karyotype, Turner syndrome. So first you have to identify. For identification, you have to write the human cells have 22 pairs of chromosomes and one pair of sex chromosomes called X and Y. A female usually has XX chromosomes, whereas a male has XY chromosomes. The karyotype given here is of female. এখানে যে karyotype আছে এটা female because it is with XO chromosome. The total number of chromosomes is 46. So this is a case of Turner syndrome. এভাবে তোমাদের এটাকে analyze করতে হবে. Other names for Turner syndrome are 45,X, monosomy X, TS, Turner syndrome, Aldrich-Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is a genetic condition that only affects females. The condition is caused by an abnormal chromosome and affects about 1 in every 2,500 baby girls, but is much more common among pregnancies that do not survive to term. That is in case of miscarriages and stillbirths. TS was named after Dr. Henry Turner, who discovered the condition in 1938. Turner syndrome is typically caused by non-disjunction. A pair of sex chromosomes fails to separate during the formation of an egg or sperm. So, এটা হলো non-disjunction. During non-disjunction, this is what is happening. During non-disjunction, a pair of sex chromosomes fails to separate during the formation of egg or sperm. So, when an abnormal egg unites with a normal sperm to form an embryo, that embryo may end up missing one of the sex chromosomes, X rather than XX. Advanced maternal age is not associated with an increased incidence of Turner syndrome. এটার আগে আমরা যেটা ডিসকাস করেছিলাম ক্লাইনফেল্টার্স তারপরে ডাউনসের মধ্যে বেশিরভাগই অ্যাডভান্স ম্যাটার্নাল এজ একটা রিজন থাকে, কিন্তু টার্নার সিনড্রোমের মধ্যে অ্যাডভান্স ম্যাটার্নাল এজ ইজ নট অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড উইথ ইনক্রিজড ইনসিডেন্স অফ টার্নার সিনড্রোম. The abnormality is not inherited from affected parent, that is not passed down from parent to child, because women with Turner syndrome are usually sterile and cannot have children. It is only genetically transfer হয় না. Girls and women who have TS often have a wide range of different medical symptoms or characteristics. However, there are two characteristics that occur in almost all cases of TS. They are being shorter than average in height, a lack of development of the ovaries leading to infertility. One of the missing genes on the X chromosome is the SHOX gene, which is responsible for long bone growth. মানে X chromosome এর মধ্যে SHOX gene থাকে, এটার মেইন কন্ট্রোল থাকে লং বোন গ্রোথ এর মধ্যে. Missing SHOX gene is the reason girls who have the disorder are unusually short. Other missing genes regulate ovarian development, which influences sexual characteristics. যেন ovarian developmentও এফেক্ট হয়. তো যাদের টার্নার সিনড্রোম থাকে এই দুটো ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স, বিং শর্টার দেন এভারেজ ইন হাইট, এ ল্যাক অফ ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ ওভারিজ লিডিং টু ইনফার্টিলিটি ইজ দ্য মেইন symptom which is seen. Now what is the cause? যেহেতু আইডেন্টিফিকেশন তোমার 6 মার্কে, তোমরা আরো কিছুটা ঢুকাতে পারো, যেরকম তোমার খাতায় যেটা আছে এটাও কিছুটা ঢুকিয়ে এটাকে বড় করে লিখতে পারো. Cause: normally a girl inherits one X chromosome from her mother and one X chromosome from her father, but girls who have Turner syndrome are missing one of their X chromosomes. Turner syndrome is typically caused by what is called non-disjunction. Non-disjunction happens when a pair of sex chromosomes fail to separate during the formation of sperm or egg. When sperm with no X chromosome unites with normal egg to form an embryo, that embryo will have just one X chromosome, X only rather than XX. As the embryo grows and the cells divide, the X chromosome will be missing from every cell of the baby's body. মানে সব সেলের মধ্যে শুধু একটাই X থাকবে and XX থাকবে না. So this is due to non-disjunction, which happens when a pair of sex chromosomes fail to separate during the formation of sperm or egg. So when sperm with no X chromosome unites with normal egg, then this condition happens. এটা একটা ডায়াগ্রাম মনোসোমি দেখানোর জন্য. This is gamete with 23 chromosomes, and here gamete with 22 chromosomes. One chromosome is less. So here it is with 23 chromosome. When they both are joining, then one chromosome is less. It should have been 4 because it should be in the diploid condition, but here it is in monosomy, showing monosomy. Types of Turner syndrome: X chromosome monosomy, X chromosome mosaicism, X chromosome defect. এরকম তিনটি Turner syndrome থাকে. X chromosome monosomy, about 50% of individuals with Turner syndrome have monosomy X, which means each cell in the individual body has only one copy of the X chromosome instead of the usual 2 sex chromosomes. During the process in which oocytes or sperms are formed, one of the sex chromosomes is sometimes lost. An embryo receiving only a Y chromosome cannot survive, but an embryo receiving only X chromosome may survive. Okay? So monosomy, which means each cell in the individual body is only one X chromosome instead of the 2 sex chromosomes. So during this process, oocyte or sperm are formed, one of the sex chromosomes is sometimes lost. And embryo receiving only Y chromosome cannot survive. If an embryo has only Y chromosome, the embryo will not survive. But if embryo is receiving only X chromosome, then it will be able to survive and develop into a female with Turner syndrome. So Turner syndrome usually is in females. 45XO is known as the classic Turner syndrome. X chromosome mosaicism 30% এর মধ্যে থাকে. Of girls with the disorder are missing the X chromosome in just some of the cells. সবগুলি সেলের মধ্যে মিসিং থাকে না, কয়েকটা সেলের মধ্যে some of the cells are not having one X chromosome. Most of the cells are having the normal X chromosome, 2 X chromosome. This mixed chromosome pattern is known as Turner mosaic. That is 46XX থাকে, 45XO থাকে. Girls with this pattern may have fewer symptoms because they still have some normal cells. এত বেশি Turner syndrome symptoms দেখায় না, but they are having certain cells which are not having 2 X chromosomes. Third type Turner syndrome হলো X chromosome defects. In about 20% of Turner syndrome cases, both X chromosomes are present, but one is abnormal. It may be shaped like a ring or missing some genetic material. So that is the different types. Now, তোমাদের এটার মধ্যে symptoms লিখতে হবে. Comments mode. Possible symptoms in young infants include swollen hands and feet, wide and webbed neck, and a low or indistinct hairline. Combination of the following symptoms may be seen in older females: incomplete development at puberty, broad chest and widely spaced nipples, drooping eyelids, dry eyes, infertility, no periods, that is no menstruation takes place, short height, 143 to 145 centimeter tall, vaginal dryness, arms that turn out slightly at the elbow, loss of ovarian function, hormone imbalances, thyroid or the patient may be diabetic, stress and emotional deprivation, diseases affecting the kidneys, heart, lungs or intestines may be there, bone diseases may be there, learning problems, especially in math, is seen in people suffering from Turner syndrome. Clinical features, a heart murmur, hearter মধ্যে একটা abnormal sound শোনা যায়, sometimes associated with narrowing of the aorta, tendency to develop high blood pressure, so this should be checked regularly. Scoliosis means abnormal curve of the backbone, একটু মানে ঝুঁকে থাকে বডিটা, occurs in 10% of adolescent girls. The thyroid gland becomes underactive, means this backbone straight থাকে না, এটাকে scoliosis বলে. Thyroid gland becomes underactive in about 10% of women who have Turner syndrome. Older or overweight women with Turner syndrome are slightly more at risk of developing diabetes. Osteoporosis can develop because of a lack of estrogen. এগুলি সব symptoms আমরা comments এর মধ্যে লিখতে পারি. So, thank you.